Marie feeds her parakeet 1/8 cup of food each day. There are 5 cups of parakeet food in the bag. How many days will the bag of parakeet food last? So the first thing we need to think about is, what are we dividing? What are we splitting up? Are we splitting up the 1/8 cup of food he eats each day? Or are we splitting up the 5 cups of parakeet food in the bag? Which?
1/8.
Not the 1/8 cups of food he eats each day. We are splitting up
5 cups.
the 5 cups in the entire bag. So we are starting with 5 because that's what we are splitting up. And we are dividing the 5 pounds of food in the parakeet bag by 1/8 to figure out how many days that they can feed the parakeet. So we're going to start with the very first number and creating a model for that first number. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 holes to represent the first number. We are now going to do what?
Split them into 8.
We are going to divide them into 8s to figure out how many days we can feed the parakeet. Now I have each of the 5 pounds divided into 8s. What do I do to determine how many days I can feed my parakeet?
You're going to count up?
I'm going to count all of the 8s that I have. I can feed my parakeet 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 days, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 days, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40 days. So I can feed my parakeet 40 days. I want to check it over with an algorithm. How do I turn 5 into a fraction? I want to make sure both numbers are a fraction. How do I do that?
You put a 1 underneath it?
I put a 1 underneath it. So 5 over 1 is equivalent to 5 wholes, right? And when I'm doing my algorithm for dividing fractions, I keep, flip, and then multiply. What is my inverse operation, or my flip of 1/8? How do I flip 1/8?
8 over 1.
8 over 1. And then I go ahead and I do my third step and I multiply. 5 times 8 equals?
40.
1 times 1 is?
1.
And so my answer is 40 over 1, which is equivalent to 40 wholes, which matches this, so I know it is correct.